Party hard!
Can't stay at home, can't stay in school. Old folks say you're poor little fool. Down the street, I'm the girl next door. I'm the box you've been waiting for. Hello, Daddy.
Welcome to my bedroom. Well, what do you think?
Oh man, you're so hot.
Nick, what do you think?
Wow. You're too hot, Juliet.
How's this? Okay? Don't lie. Does this make me
Holy
look
shit.
fat?
Holy shit.
Well, what do you think?
Holy shit. Oh, sexy.
Ah, welcome to my bedroom. I thought I'd try something new.
Wow. You're too hot,
Well,
Juliet.
how do I look?
Oh my god, you're so pretty. Oh man, you're so hot.
Well, welcome to my bedroom.
Whoa, sexy.
Oh! Nick!
Whoa. Juliet? What? Am I okay?
Yeah. Basically.
I feel okay. I feel good. Juliet, I'm not a zombie. Not at all. What? Oh no.
I had to.
Oh god! Oh fuck! Oh god! Where's my fucking body? Oh fuck!
Don't get mad! I didn't know what to do!
How am I still alive? How am I still talking without a fucking thorax?
I performed, a magical ritual on your head. It was really hard. And I don't mean to be a jerk, but I think maybe just a little bit of appreciation is in order. If I didn't chop off your head, the venom would have totally seeped into your brain and turned you into a zombie.
Juliet? How? How do you know how to perform a magical ritual on my decapitated head?
There's some stuff I didn't tell you before, okay? I didn't want you to think I was weird. I'm kinda, sort of,
What? Juliet?
don't know how to say it exactly.
Zombies! Zombies! Coming to kill us now!
I'm a zombie hunter.
What? Ah! Ah! Oh, fuck!
Don't hate me! Don't hate me!
Oh, come on! What the fuck is going on here? Hey, this is making me dizzy!
We'll pick up some antacids later, Nick. Right now we have to kill these guys. Stop it!
Another stupid zombie? something exploded. What the hell was that?
Heat it up. Hey, it's Mr. Fitzgibbon.
This kind of math sucks.
Uh-oh.
What's this? A bomb?
That's royally effed up.
That's some whack shit!
Leave me alone! Get away! Help!
Amazing!
The best calories.
I fucked up my math test! I need help! Let's go hang out after school.
I've got shit running down my legs from the fear.
Hey, it's Mr. Fitzgibbon again. He gave me a D last week. Kill him. I'm impressed.
Your goal. Taste my cheese sundae.
Fuck. I think that zombie seriously had dynamite strapped to it.
Why would somebody do that?
That'll make the 5 o'clock news.
This zombie might work. Hey, Nick! We need to break through that wall. Can you give me a hand?
Yeah, right. I don't have a hand to give.
Well, not yet, but that spell I cast on you gives you some magical powers.
What?
Like maybe I can connect you to this zombie's body and you can temporarily use it.
Huh?
Just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Whoa. Whoa. This feels weird. I'm blue and stuff.
Nick, look! If I use this ticket, I can totally use your cool powers.
Whatever, dude.
That's it!
Awesome!
I love you, baby. You ready? Nick Popper!
All right, party! Look out!
Ready? Go!
You're late, Juliet.
Where's my ammo? Oh, great, those jerks trapped us in here.
How lame. Thanks a lot. What's the deal, dude?
Zombie cop. Fucking lame.
A zombie with a gun? No fair. Go!
Dying hurts so bad. No! I really need to turn back. Soda makes your bones weak.
Oh, man. Their bodies are wrapped with bombs.
We need to hit him and run away before they explode. Fun!
How was that fun?
Ah! Oh my god!
What the heck is this?
No!
Those zombies totally pulled my
very
underwear up
best
my butt.
Whoa!
Oh, watch out!
Look what those jerks did to our school!
Yeah, but it does get me out of my calculus homework on Friday. Come! I'll be back for you! Uncool, asshole! That's the dude who stranded us. And he's getting what he deserved.
But we can't just let them all die, Nick!
Or we could.
Oh, I screwed up again! You're already dead. Welcome to my bedroom. Nick, what do you think?
Wow. You're too hot, Juliet. Oh, man, I wish I had my penis.
I'm worried about Rosalind.
Hell, that girl knows trouble like apple knows pie.
Excuse me.
Boy, you be careful now about where you're touching my daughter.
Oh, I'm sorry.
We gotta be careful. This Rosalind situation, so she don't get hurt.
So, I guess the two of you haven't been formally introduced. Dad, this is...
Nick, I know. You told me all about it. Failed to mention the, disability.
It's kind of a new thing, sir.
You seem like a fine person, but whatever dude Juliet ends up with is gonna be part of the family business. What are you gonna do? Throw magic stars at chupacabras with your tongue?
Maybe, Dad. Nick's tongue is very limber.
And how do you know that?
She doesn't. She doesn't know that at all, sir. She has no idea if my tongue is limber.
We're here. What the hell kind of place is this?
It's the Fulci Fun Center, Dad, where all the kids from San Romero hang out after school. Look at this. I'll head into the building at the entrance, all right? Daddy, you go around and sneak in from the back. I'll act as a decoy, drawing all the zombies' attention towards me, while you go up to the roof where Rosalind should be.
Juliet, you just made yourself a decoy.
Dad, what's wrong?
My little girl is a tactical genius. Your mom and me got a little something for your special day. Happy birthday, baby.
Thanks, Daddy.
All right, I'm off.
Good luck, sir. You're gonna do awesome, I'm sure of it.
Stop sucking up, son. And don't think I forgot that tongue stuff, neither. You best watch what you do with my little girl when you're hiding in the shadows.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
I think he really liked you. All right. Oh, I'm so touched. My mom and dad knew exactly what I wanted.
Nick, shoot!
I can't wait to thank them in person.
I wanna play games 24/7! Hit the button faster!
Look at the zombie geek zombieing out killing zombies in video games.
If we kill them, it'll be totally meta.
New game's out today.
We better help this dude before his game is over.
Oh, I'll go all rating mature on their asses.
Metal up your ass. Metal up your ass.
Going up.
Whoa! Things just got old Commodore 64 on us.
Uh-oh, I think it thinks we're blue ghosts.
Are you ready? Start.
I guess the one thing I don't have to worry about is calloused thumbs. That dude would be scarier if he wasn't wearing a fez. Juliet, can I ask you something sort of sensitive?
Oh, yes, Nick?
My face is stuck in your butt. Can you move it a little?
Oh.
Intruder alert! Next level.
Now seems like the perfect time to take a shopping break. The very best kind, too. Let's do this thing!